Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in to this recipe. I am sharing with you how to cook the most delicious chicken stew. I'll start by adding the chicken inside the pot. Here I have onions, ginger, garlic, peppers. I'll chop them up. I'll season the chicken with onions, ginger and garlic, peppers, rosemary, thyme, bay leaf, season powder, salt, curry powder. Stir to combine everything together. I'll leave the chicken to marinate for some time. Then I'll put on the stove, leave it to steam cook in its own juice for 15 minutes on a low heat without adding water. After 15 minutes of steam cooking the chicken, I'll add enough water to cook the chicken. Give it a quick stir. Cover and leave the chicken to cook. Here I have tomatoes, bell peppers, onions, garlic, ginger. I'll clean them up and blend. The tomatoes is nicely blended. I'll transfer that inside the bowl and set that aside. The chicken is been cooking now for some time. I'll check if it's ready. Once the fork can go in easily and come out, that means the chicken is ready. I'll remove it from the stove and separate the chicken from the stock. Next, I'll add some oil in a pan and start heating it up. When the oil is hot, I'll add onions, add the cooked chicken and fry. You can also grill the chicken or air fry them as well. When the chicken is nicely fried on one side, flip it to the other side to fry as well. And when the chicken is ready, remove the chicken from the hot oil, transfer them to a strainer that is lined with paper towel. And I'll repeat this process until I am done frying all of the chicken. The chicken is nicely fried. I'll set that aside. I'll add some of the oil I used in frying the chicken inside the pot and heat it up. Once the oil is hot, add sliced onions. Stir. I'll fry the onions for about 5 minutes. I'll add tomato paste and stir. I'll leave the tomato paste to fry very well to take out any sour taste from it. Add the grounded tomatoes and pepper mix. For this recipe, I didn't cook it before I use it. It's going to cook while it's frying together. Cook on a medium to low heat so it won't get burnt. I'll transfer the chicken stock through a strainer and strain it. The stew is been cooking now for some time. I'll stir. I'll add the chicken stock, season cube, salt, curry powder, thyme, stir. I'll cover and leave it to cook more. When it cooks for some time and at this point is nicely cooked, I'll add the fried chicken. When the stew is well cooked, the oil starts to settle on top of it. You can skim off some of the excess oil if you want. At this point, you can taste and adjust the season if needed. I'll cover and leave it to cook for another 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, I'll reduce the heat before I open the pot so it won't splash, and I will stir. At this point, my kitchen smells divine. This stew is ready. This stew was super delicious. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video.